Hey Monster Truck fans, OffTrack RC Retro Action. This is it. I'm Chris Parrish alongside menacing Mike Bufka, and it is championship day. At the end of this event, we crown a championship for the 2025 season. We've got a tight race right now. It's anyone's game, Mike Bufka.
So you want to talk about tight? We have a 5-point differential between the top 3 contenders in this class. It could not be any tighter than this unless they were somehow 1 point across. I cannot think of any more of a nail biter to watch today. I'm excited, and I honestly can't call who's going to win this today.
The tension is in the air, and it all starts with qualifying right now.
Well, you couldn't ask for much more drama than this, as the top contenders in the point standing all at the top of the chart. Stomper in 5th, Barefoot Racer in 3rd, Equalizer in 2nd, and Taurus doing what he needs to do, getting those 3 valuable points for the top qualifier position. Points paid to the top 3 in qualifying, 3-2-1, and so valuable points accumulated right there, as it is tight coming into this final event. Taking a look back at race 1, if you joined us, LVCRC Garrett Bindle from out of nowhere joins the crowd and takes a win. Race number 1 of round number 1. It's Jersey Outlaw against Michigan Ice Monster, the number 16 and 17 matchup. Little struggle for Michigan Ice Monster entering the final corner, and Outlaw shoots him down.
Drivers ready.
Gravedigger 4, Levi Shones, and Laotian Commotion. Isaac Infram in the far lane. Gravedigger last time the TQ, this time only number 13. He's on down the seeding order, but Laotian Commotion, the number 20, moving on with the win. Barefoot dodge, facing off against King of the Grove. The incredible 6-wheeler from Chris Blank sliding around the corners. Barefoot in trouble. The King takes the lead. There would have been penalties on the Barefoot, but King of the Grove gets there first anyway. Let's go trackside for Inside Track.
I'm Dan Agosh. I own the No Problem and Big Boss truck. These are both regulators. The Big Boss had an inch extension on them, but made mine unique because I was a fan of No Problem and stuff like that. I made it a little bit more detailed with the yellow axle housings and stuff like that. But yeah, the paint was made by Dark Side Customs, and like I said, everything here is pretty much J Concepts regulator, tires, stuff like that.
Lots of replica trucks on the OTRC series, replicating heroes of past and present. But right now, No Problem in trouble against Monster Powder Works. Andy Salerno, new to Retro Clod Buster, but gets the win. Looking pretty solid out there. We'll see how it plays out for the rest of the racing bracket as we move to Jordan Sicht and Bigfoot 1 against King Kong Calder-Sicht. Right now, King Kong putting a hurting on Dad and Bigfoot 1. Kong running hard, a little squirrely, but he reaches the time gap for the penalty. He's all good, moving on. Skull Bandit, Andy Salerno, and the incredible new Heavy Chevy from Dan Ryan. Dan Ryan away for a few years, but comes back with this wild new Heavy Chevy 6-wheeler, and right now, he's out in the lead over Andy Salerno and Skull Bandit. Barefoot 3 and Big Boss. Shones versus Agash. A huge leap for Big Boss. Shones may have been having a banana Slurpee up there, but the steering goes away on the Big Boss truck, and all Barefoot has to do is make it to the finish line. Taurus, Jeremy Mark, facing off against Calder-Sicht, Jersey Outlaw. This is the top of round number 2. The TQ is on the line. The points are so close. 1 and 2 Barefoot, and Taurus with the win. Jeremy Jeremy Mark right back up on the line, this time with Buffalo Trimmer facing off against Overkill. If Buffalo Trimmer can win this race, that could be fortuitous for Jeremy Mark's racing team as it would face the team truck, Taurus. But nonetheless, Overkill takes the win, and he'll face Taurus in round number 3. LVCRC and Laotian Commotion on the line. Last time's winner, Garrett Bindle in the near lane against the Laotian Commotion, and it's all Garrett Bindle and LVCRC. Laotian way out of shape on this run. The King is on the line, King of the Grove, facing up against number 5, Stomper. But don't sleep on the 6-wheeler. It will eat your lunch before you know it. But right now, Chris Lane taking care of business in the far lane. Monster Powder Works. Andy Salerno looking solid in round number 1, facing off against Equalizer, Chris Parrish. Equalizer, the number 2 qualifier, off in the lead with some big air heading to the final straightaway. King Kong Calder 6 and Bigfoot 1, Chris Hackinson. Hackinson, the number 7 qualifier. King Kong, the number 10 qualifier. Saw a solid run from Kong in round number 1, but not enough in round number 2. Our points leader, Barefoot Racer, the number 3 qualifier, facing off against Heavy Chevy, Dan Ryan. Barefoot Racer getting it done, keeping up with Taurus. Barefoot 3, Levi Shones against Oranginator, Chris Blank, our final pair in round number 2. Neck and neck, a tough landing for Barefoot, and that may have cost him as Oranginator gets there for the win. Taking a look back, this is your crunch time replay. An incredible save for Levi Shones and Barefoot. Round number 3, a tough matchup, the TQ. Taurus and Overkill. Taurus needs this win for the points championship as something on Overkill goes away, putting the pressure on the Barefoot truck. These two are neck and neck. LVCRC, Garrett Bindle, and Stomper, the 4-5 matchup. Both trucks winners this season. Garrett last time out. Stomper owned a couple race brackets earlier in the season, but this one goes to LVCRC. Equalizer, Chris Parrish, and Bigfoot 1, Chris Hackinson. Big leap for Equalizer, but a great corner for Bigfoot 1. A late charge for Equalizer is not enough. Hackinson with the win. Big points implications as Barefoot Racer faces off against Oranginator. Looking at the points in, considering the dropped brackets through the season, it looks like Taurus and Barefoot are tied as they both head to the semifinals. The drama is building. Semifinals, round number 1, LVC and Taurus. Taurus needs to go one round further than Barefoot, or Barefoot needs to go one round further than Taurus. The winner gets the championship. It doesn't get more dramatic than this. Pressure is on Barefoot and Bigfoot 1. Barefoot desperately needs this win. If Barefoot wins, it all comes down to the finals. Right now, Barefoot in trouble. Barefoot goes down, and Bigfoot goes to the finals.
All right, well, as the points chase closes in, we're shaking things up a little bit in the final. Chris Hackinson finds himself in the final, upsetting the order of things. Chris, how do you feel being here?
Ooh, yeah! It feels good, you know? It's very, very nice.
He feels good. He's excited to be here. Jeremy, you're no stranger to being here. How do you feel having a different pairing that you're not used to? Is it going to throw a wrench in the things for you, or do you feel pretty confident with this?
I mean, his name's Chris, so he's going to be fast. That's just how it goes in our series. But him and I have had a lot of good battles over the years. This is the first time we met in the final, so I'm really looking forward to see how it goes. We've had a lot of photo finishes.
And this could very well be one. Let's see how it shakes out. Let's go to the action, Chris.
This is it, our last retro finals for the season. Taurus, the number 1 qualifier, facing off against the number 7, Bigfoot 1. Taurus off to a big lead. 2 truck lengths. Trouble for Bigfoot 1. And Taurus flexing some muscle on the final day. That may have just wrapped up the championship for Taurus, as Taurus will win the day and take home the trophy for the event number 5 with 43 points over 40 points for LVCRC, and Oranginator a distant third.
Well, a huge congratulations to you, Jeremy. That was, we thought it was going to be a really close race, but at the end of the day, it looks like you just took out another Chris. How do you feel about that?
I feel really good about it. That's their second bracket win of the year, and we've had a couple event wins, and we'll see how it does for the total points. They're adding that up now, but it looks like I'm either going to be first or second, so I'm really happy with the season.
Great way to finish it out with a win. Can't think of a better way to wrap up the season. Congratulations, and we're hopeful that you got the points overall.
Thank you.
Back to you and Chris. Let's figure out who the actual series points winner is.
As the points are accumulated, the winner is Taurus, our champion for Retro Clodbuster in 2025, taking the measure of Barefoot and Stomper in the final day of actions with an incredible result. What a way to win a championship. Congratulations to Jeremy, Mark, and Taurus. A great lineup of monster trucks with great action all season long.
Jeremy, Mark, I just want to say a huge congratulations to you on finally capping off a season points championship win. I know you've been chasing this for a long time. You've been chasing this championship for how many years now?
9 years now.
9 seasons he's been chasing this, and you've ended up on the podium in that chase how many times?
This is my 3rd podium, but the first time I finally broke through. The best I've had before this was 2nd place a couple years ago.
He's been after it for a long, long time, and you finally got a taste of that sweet, sweet victory. A huge congratulations to you. An awesome job, well done all season by you and your team.
Thank you. It was awesome just finally getting past Barefoot and Bigfoot and all the big names.
He got past all the big ones, and he earned that championship win. Congratulations to you, Jeremy. A job well done.
Thank you, guys.
Back to you in the booth, Chris.
Definitely making sure that he is one of the big names, Jeremy, Mark, and Taurus. He'll have the target on him as we move into the 2026 OTRC season. An incredible moment. Jeremy breaking through with the Taurus truck for the championship. We appreciate you joining us. We hope you've enjoyed OTRC this season. Make sure you join us next time. And until next time, we'll see you then.